Hello, welcome to Legal Awareness web series. Are you frustrated? If you didn't do well in CLAT today, don't be worried. It is not the end of the world. There is no perfect examination. If you make it to best law school, great. If you have not made it to the best law school, heavens are not going to fall. You can still succeed in your life. If you are really passionate to only do law, then you can wait for one more year and again take the CLAT examination. But if you don't want to waste your year, invest in your career and get a good job and a fulfilling life, then there are options for you. Today, number of IITs offer management courses. Number of management institutions offer law courses. IIM Rohtak has launched a 5-year law course. Of course, fees is very high, some 40 lakhs. Hostel is not going to be provided. You have to be a boarder. IIT Kharagpur has law school for many years. The new education policy is talking of integration of knowledge. The new education policy of Prime Minister Modi is talking of inter and cross-disciplinary education. NALSAR is always ahead in such matters. What Government of India is talking of in 2020, we implemented in 2013 by introducing a management course, by giving more emphasis to humanities and social sciences. NALSAR believes in integration of knowledge, and that's why NALSAR is not an ordinary law school. We say it is a university of law. And law is everywhere, from cradle to grave. If you take birth, your birth is to be registered. If you are dead, your death is to be registered under a law. And after death, your property will be distributed under inheritance law. If law deals with every aspect of life, then law universities should also bring the whole universe of knowledge to their campuses. And therefore, all disciplines relating to law are subject matter of our interest, are to be integrated in our curricula. Yes, if your dream is to come to NALSAR and you have not done well in CLAT, there is another opportunity. You can come to NALSAR to do IPM, Integrated Management Program, a 5-year course just like our BA LLB course. NALSAR is the highest ranked law university in the country. It secured 3.6 out of 4. And after getting this rank for last 6 years, NALSAR does not participate in any India Today, Outlook, or any other magazine's rankings. In my view, it is the best destination to do law, and it is going to become a great destination to do management and law. No business is possible without law. If you want to incorporate a company, the incorporation takes place under the Companies Act. It is law which through a fiction has said that company is an independent juristic person in its own right. If you want to wind up your company, again you have to consult a lawyer. Few years back, my senior colleague, Professor Amita Dhanda, forwarded me a very interesting article, Why Business Schools Must Be Shut Down. Then we researched and we had a conversation amongst ourselves and we identified the problems of B schools. There are any number of articles. We say business schools are on the wrong track. There are articles which say that business schools are not inculcating all the life skills which are required to be a good business leader. There is an intense criticism in terms of B schools graduates not having all the useful skills. In terms of our IPM, we don't want to produce just business leaders who will make profits. We want to produce level 5 leaders, legally aware business leaders who are grounded in ethics, humility, humanity, and fraternity. And fraternity is mentioned as a goal of our nation, as an aspiration of our nation in the preamble of the Constitution. We want business leaders who would uphold justice, social and economic, for whom human beings are important. And therefore, NALSAR has, after a lot of deliberations, come up with a unique course integrating business with law. We want business leaders like Azim Premji. We want business leaders who are committed to ideals of social justice, who believe in our constitutional values. We want to go back to original business ethics. We want responsible business leaders. We don't want to do window dressing of teaching corporate social responsibility. We want to produce business leaders who believe in inclusion, who believe in diversity. If IITs can have MBAs and law, IIMs can have law, why country's best law school cannot have IP? Therefore, don't get frustrated if you did not do well in CLAT. Anyone who has appeared in IPMAT of Indore and Rohtak, or JIPMAT of Jammu and Bodh Gaya IIM, or CLAT or JEE can apply to NALSAR's state-of-art 5-year integrated BBA MBA program. Look at numbers. IPMAT and JIPMAT approximately had 20,000 applicants. CLAT had some 60,000 applicants. JEE some 12 to 13 lakh applicants. How many seats country have for integrated program of management? Just about 500 or 600. So there is a huge market. Good people are available if they get a good institution. The brand name is the property of the institution. If you believe that NALSAR is a name to reckon with, then definitely NALSAR is going to have a course with all quality checks in place. I think there is an opportunity, a huge opportunity for you to come to NALSAR, to be the part of this new experiment in management education, which is not going to produce leaders who are after profits. but who are going to produce leaders exercising ethics, believing in responsibility, committed to the social development and human development of the whole society rather than their own enterprise. Therefore, there is an interesting, attractive option for anyone who is not getting BA LLB course of Nalsar. Doing management at Nalsar will be a unique experience. It has its own advantages. I believe that just don't concentrate on BA LLB. Nalsar is too big a university. तू है नादा चंद कलियों पर क़नात कर गया, वरना गुलशन में इलाजे तंगिए दामा भी है. Welcome to Nalsar. If you like Legal Awareness web series, I request you to not only subscribe our channel but also click the bell icon. Thank you very much. God bless you.